This is an interview, born in the USA, American style. What? So we're gonna go light some fireworks, is that correct?
Yep.
Alright. Just gonna throw my cigar in here. Woo! Just kidding. My beer. So I think we were all born in the USA. I'm not totally sure, but she was born in Nicaragua.
Did you get the shells?
Do what?
Did you get those artillery shells?
Yeah, let's. I didn't grab any, but oh, is there one still in there? No, did we light? Yeah, there's one in there. Light it up.
You have the lighter?
Oh yeah. Use your cigarette. I might drop my. It's our documentary piece.
I don't know what I did with it.
You got your lighter in your hand. I mean, your cigarette in your hand.
I can't post this to Facebook now.
Hope I didn't step on dog shit. Probably did. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Rock and rolls.